okay? So let's get started.
Yahoo! So all you will be needing is some lentils, onions, garlic, chorizo, which is like a type of sausage, but you can use whatever you like, some carrots, and optional one potato.
Also, if you have some tomato paste, okay, you can put a little bit in it because it's going to give it a very good flavor and it's going to change everything.
Okay, so we need to do our sofrito, in which we're going to use the onion, right? So we're going to chop it up like in small cubes. Okay, and we're going to do the same with the sausage and the garlic too. Okay, everything we're going to chop it in small cubes. Also the potato. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to clean the lentils. So you're only going to rinse it under the wash dishes, and you're going to clean it with water. Okay, that's it. That will be all. Next, you're going to put on the heat in a pan. Okay, you're going to put the lentils with 3 to 4, sometimes even 5 cups of water. Okay, it's going to depend on how you like to leave the texture on in this case, the lentils. Okay, so once we have everything chopped, all right, we're going to start doing our sofrito. So you're only going to start by putting a pan, okay, on the kitchen. And when it starts to get heat, okay, to get hot, you're going to put a little bit of oil. Let's say like 2 tablespoons of oil, okay? Could be any type of oil. And once it starts to getting hotter and a little bit hotter, okay, you are going to put all the ingredients for the sofrito. So you're going to start by putting the onions, and you're going to let it saute for maybe like a couple of minutes, like maybe 2 minutes, and then you're going to add the rest of the ingredients, the garlic and the sausage, okay, and the carrots. In the case of the potato, I leave it for the end, okay? So I will show you how did I do it. Also, remember to put the tomato paste and optional some bay leaves. I add 2 bay leaves. Once I have my sofrito done, I just add it to the lentils and let them boil for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So you're going to keep stirring, okay? And just check, what texture would you like to leave on your lentils. If you want it like softer or maybe harder, okay? It's just going to depend on how long do you keep it on the fire, okay? And also how much liquid do you add. You can leave it as a soup, like a very liquid soup, or like a stew, like more thickened. Okay, it's all going to depend of your taste. I add the potatoes at the end, okay, because I like them to be leave as cubes when I finish the lentils. Okay, to finish my lentils,